I was trying to catch up on a Channel 4 show using the All 4 app, but it just kept buffering or wouldn't load at all. If that's happening on your device too, don't worry. Here's how to deal with it without even opening the app. Start by checking whether the Channel 4 servers are down. Outages happen often, especially during primetime hours or after app updates. To check, open your browser and go to downdetector.com. Then search for All 4 or Channel 4. If a bunch of users are reporting the same issue, whether it's crashing, login problems, or video errors, it's likely a system issue on their side. That means the app isn't broken on your end, and you'll just need to give it some time. In the meantime, the easiest workaround is to use the Channel 4 website instead. Just go to channel4.com on your phone or computer and log into your account. You can still stream all your shows, check your watch list, and even access subtitles, just like the app. It works well, and it's a solid backup anytime the app isn't cooperating. So if the Channel 4 app isn't working, don't stress. These 2 steps should keep you watching without interruptions. If this helped, give the video a like, subscribe for more app fixes, and check the description for quick links and tips. Thanks for watching.